In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text in Capcut PC completely for free in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Once Capcut PC has opened up and loaded, you want to click the third tab on the top left hand screen which says text, which is next to audio and stickers. Now you have a couple different options to add text. For the top hand screen here, you have your default text. If you click this plus icon, you will notice the text has been added onto the screen. And if you go to the top right hand screen while the text is still selected, notice that on the text tab we can click in this box and we can type in whatever it is that we want. So that you notice that the text is not completely on the screen. In this case, you can adjust the text by clicking and holding down on the screen, and it will add the text completely on the screen. Or you can click the text and click on the box and you can click enter, and notice that it will reformat the text. When you scroll down, you have different options on how to adjust your text. You have the font size, you have bold, italics, or different settings. You have the color of your text. You can align your text flush, and then you even have presets. One of my favorites personally, I like this preset right here. As you scroll down more, you even have a choice to change the opacity of the text. You can change the stroke or the color of the text. You can even adjust the thickness of it. As you can see, it's getting larger, it's getting smaller. You can even choose to add a background, and you can add a glow as well to your text, and so forth. You can add a shadow. The best part about Capcut PC text is if you go back to the top left hand screen, you can see that you can even generate text from AI, but in this case I'll show that in the next video. You can even add effects to your text effect. As you can see here under trending, you have different options. As you scroll down, there's a text templates or different templates you can add onto your text, and this is all free, at least that I know. Some of them are pro or paid features, and you have different options you can mess with. This is called auto captioning. In this case, if you have a video and you would like to transcribe the text, you would click this option, auto captions, and then click generate. If you want to see more free videos or tutorials like this, consider dropping this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and follow for more.